Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok following problem. Something went wrong on TikTok. If you are using TikTok and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to follow someone on your TikTok, but you're facing the issue that you are getting the pop-up message, something went wrong, or you cannot follow anyone. So let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So the very first step is that you have to check your network connection that you have a strongest and stable network connection, or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here, open your settings app here, go for general here, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you find any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that. And after doing that, you just have to go back and you have to retry. If you're still facing the same issue, open your app store here. You have to simply search for TikTok, and you have to make sure that there is no any pending update for your TikTok app. If you find pending update, you have to try to update your TikTok. Once you updated your TikTok app, go back, open your TikTok app, and now you have to retry to follow someone. So for example, I'm going to follow anyone from here. So let's say I'm going to follow this one. So once you have followed, so you can see that my issue has been fixed. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so there's just a simple way to fix that. You just have to go for these three dots here, go for settings, privacy, scroll down, you find the option of report a problem. Now you just have to look for the option of follow here, so tap on follow option, and from here you just have to select the option which is related to your question or relating to your issue. Here's the option of unable to follow user. So from here you just have to wait for its loading, and then you'll it will give you some details here. If you find this helpful, so your issue will be fixed with these, or if it doesn't, you just have to select no option from here, then select need more help. Now you can directly chat with TikTok support team. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. You can also attach some videos or photos or screenshot, or you can also record your share here video recording. And once you have completed your message, you have to send that, and your TikTok will respond to you in up to 1 hour or in up to 24 hours, and the issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.